I really sound like a YouTube girl, huh?
You do. You are a YouTube girl.
I am, but it just be shocking me.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That feels really weird to say after a long time. I recorded that in September 2024. We'll get into that later. Hi, my name is Morgan. I'm 26 years old. I'm from the DMV, and some of you may know this already. I started my content journey a few years back during COVID. It was always a passion of mine, but it was also a way to get through COVID, a way to get through unemployment, everything going on in the world. But I also knew that there was something bigger that was supposed to come out of it. Growing up, people will always ask me how I did my makeup, how I did my hair, what products I used for my makeup and my hair, how I lined my lips, how I did my hair on my own, and how I learned to do my hair by myself. And it's all thanks to YouTube. I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, and honestly, when we got to COVID, that was just the best time for me to do it. I was young, I had free time, and that's kind of been the reason for my absence. I've been growing, I've been maturing, and I've been working full time, and that is not always the easiest when you've been trying to become a content creator. I make beauty and lifestyle content, and it's not always easy to make that content or want to make that content when you're so on the go and everything is so busy. I do plan on incorporating more modeling content into my channel, so let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see when it comes to that. But yeah, truthfully, I got so busy that I got overwhelmed and went ghost, and while I still loved creating content, clearly, it just got hard to keep it going the later I got into my 20s, and working full-time meant less time for sitting down and working on my passion projects, which made me sad, but I'm back now, which I'm really excited about. I have so many great things planned. I've slowly been making my way back on TikTok. If you haven't checked that content out already, make sure you go check that out. I've been sitting on so many great ideas, so much untapped potential, untapped energy, and that ends now. No more stagnant energy, no more listening to outside opinions. It's all about what I want, how I want to do things on my terms. So, if you want to follow me on my journey or continue to follow me on my journey, make sure you subscribe to my channel for one. Definitely engage with all of the content. That is how you let the algorithm know that you enjoy my content. It'll start pushing my content to other people who enjoy this type of content, and we'll all grow together. But definitely make sure you are following me on Instagram and on TikTok at mo.simone. All my socials are linked in the description box below. And I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Again, I'm so glad to be back with my besties. Make sure you guys, again, like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let YouTube know that y'all want to see me back, let Instagram, TikTok know that y'all want to see me. Come join the gang, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I really mean it this time. Bye.